Ever admired a vibrant bougainvillea and wished you had more? You can, without spending a fortune. With a few tools and patience, you can multiply your bougainvillea using cuttings, a simple, rewarding process. Bougainvillea cuttings root easily, creating exact clones of the parent plant, so you'll get the same stunning colors. This method skips the slow, unpredictable process of growing from seed. It's a centuries-old gardener's trick to expand your collection for free. Today, the timing is perfect for taking semi-hardwood cuttings, firm, but not woody. Let's walk through the steps together, from choosing the right stem to growing a new plant. It's easier than you think, and the results will transform your garden. Ready to get started? Start by choosing a semi-hardwood bougainvillea stem, firm at the base, green at the tip, and about pencil thick. Avoid old woody stems and very soft new shoots. With clean secateurs, cut a 6-8-inch section just below a node. Remove most leaves, leaving only the top 2 or 3. Trim large leaves in half to reduce water loss. Snip off any flowers or bracts. Make shallow slices at the base to expose the green layer for rooting. Your cutting is now ready for planting, clean, healthy, and set for success. Start by dipping your plant cutting in rooting hormone powder to boost root growth. Natural alternatives like cinnamon or honey also work, protecting against disease and encouraging roots. Prepare a small pot with drainage holes and fill it with moist, well-draining mix. Use a pencil to make a hole, then insert the cutting and firm the soil. Cover with a clear plastic bag to keep humidity high. Place in bright, indirect light. Be patient. Roots will form soon. Place your cuttings in a spot with bright, indirect light. This helps them grow strong without the risk of scorching from harsh sun. Direct sunlight can dry out or damage tender new growth, so a gentle, filtered light is best for these young plants. Check the soil moisture every few days by gently pressing your finger into the soil. It should feel slightly damp to the touch but never soggy. Keeping the soil evenly moist but not wet is key to healthy root development. Overwatering can cause rot, while letting it dry out can slow down rooting. Every couple of days, remove the plastic cover or bag for about an hour. This lets in fresh air, prevents mold, and helps your cuttings adjust to the environment. Rooting usually takes between 6 and 12 weeks, so be patient and keep an eye out for new leaves or shoots. You can also check for gentle resistance when you give the cutting a soft tug. This means roots are forming beneath the soil. Once you notice new growth or leaves, start gradually removing the cover over several days to help your plant acclimate to normal indoor air. After a week or two of this transition period, your plant will be ready for its next stage. Transplant your new bougainvillea into a bigger pot or directly into your garden, giving it more space to grow and thrive. Watching a bare stick transform into a lush, leafy plant is truly one of gardening's most magical moments. With a little care, patience, and attention to detail, your efforts will be rewarded. Soon you'll enjoy a garden bursting with vibrant color and life, all grown by your own hands. Happy propagating and enjoy every step of the journey.